But I just want to say it's an honor for me to be here. I appreciate your invitation. Joel, Natasha, I know that you guys are out in the field doing the really tough work. It's easy for us. We just get to come say a few words and sound pretty and everything like that. But I think one of the things I want to touch on really quick, really briefly, of course, is rule of law, of course, and illicit finance that is contributing to transnational criminal actors and stuff like that. But first, I want to draw your attention to something that I think that we've been sort of sounding the horn on, and that's just the change of society, the change of computing power, and how that affects everything. And if I could put that into one simple anecdote, I would orient your attention to a book that was just written, and it was Tom Friedman's book, and he said in 1999 that the world's strongest supercomputer was the size of a tennis court, and the power that it took to power that computer could power 800 homes. Fast forward to 2005, the same computing power equivalent was in a Sony PlayStation. So think about that for a second. Everybody in this room has more computing power than the world's strongest nation state did less than 20 years ago. Now that, of course, presents fantastic opportunities, but also challenges. Challenges to the rule of law, challenges with the ability of transnational actors, both criminals, both terrorist organizations, to quite frankly undermine the Westphalian nation state. It's a huge issue that we have to deal with. And if you're in academia, if you're a policy leader, if you're a business leader, and you're not understanding how that's affecting your world and those that you serve or those that you work for, then you're already behind. So I just want to say, and we've been singing to the stars about that and how that affects policy and how a lot of our policies, I see there's some government folks here like myself, and how our rules of law, how our laws are sort of behind some of the technology that's there. But that being said, I think that when you see the breakdown of rule of law, when you see illicit finance, you have no further look than what's happening right now in Venezuela. And what that does to that country, what that does to the people that are living there, what that does to destabilize the region. I'm headed out to South America this Friday, and we'll be seeing that and talking to people that are all around Venezuela and how that is. And I think that personally, in my opinion, the United States has to pay a little more attention to our backyard in the Western Hemisphere. But again, I apologize that I have to take off, but I want to give you kudos to what you guys are doing. These two are great people. You all are great people. Thank you for working hard on what you're doing and doing the hard work and lifting the heavy work. And my office stands by to help assist you in any way that we can. So thank you guys very much, and God bless you.